So we are marking the completion of 4 years of zero infection in our hospital. I operate somewhere near 8 to 10 cases a day, and you can multiply over 4 years. I don't take sabbaticals. I work even on Sundays. This includes all the spine surgeries, all the joint replacement surgery, the trauma cases, except the compound fractures and the soft tissue surgeries. Over 4 years, it's a very, very difficult feat to achieve 0% infection rate with such a flow of cases. You can multiply 8 to 10 cases a day over 4 years. And this is possible because I look at the sterilization of the wards myself and the working of the CSOT myself, and the speed of surgery also matters. So no one has the courage to put this on the face of the hospital that they have 0% infection rate over 4 years. ਜੇ ਹੋਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਸਰਜਨ ਜਾਂ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਬੋਰਡ ਆਪਣੇ ਹਸਪਤਾਲ 'ਚ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਦਿਖਾ